Guys, I'm Ashley with the rental shop. This is a little video I'm going to do here just to try to give you an idea of what our golf cart looks like. If I fumble a little bit, I apologize. I'm just going to do this video in one whole sweep here, but we rent brand new golf carts. We also do kayaks, paddleboards, beach chairs and umbrellas, beach bonfires. So if you're interested in any of that, you can also call us. But when you call our company, you're going to speak most likely with us, and there's a high chance that we're going to be delivering your equipment. We're the type of company that we like to do things with excellence, and so we try to do as much as we can ourselves. And if there's anybody that works with the business, they also are excellent people. So we like to have a really good team around us. So anyways, this is the lifted golf cart. When you call our company, what you see is exactly what you get. So I'm not doing like a fancy video. I'm not doing a video on a fancy golf cart and then dropping off something that's rough from Craigslist. That is not how we operate. I know there's other companies in the area that like to rent rough stuff, but that is not what you're gonna receive with our company. So if you have had a bad experience with another company and you're looking for someone who's gonna do a good job and deliver a really nice golf cart, please call us. So we have these golf carts made in the factory. They're custom made just for us. We did almost, I think, like 8 different upgrades above what we could have just purchased as a standard golf cart. So this is the lifted golf cart. It's got the, the all-terrain wheels and the brush guard there. This has the solid windshield with the electric wipers. It's all street legal. So this golf cart has the headlights, the turn signals, brake lights, everything. And it can drive on roads that are 35 miles or under, where the speed limits are 35 or under. And this golf cart goes top speed 25, 26 miles an hour. And that's with the family on there. If you put a lot of weight on there, it might slow down a little bit, but not much. So over here, you have your 4 cup holders, and there's a nice little storage compartment here. Horn, whatever. Over here you have another nice storage compartment, and then you have the USB and the cigarette lighter ports. Over here is the on-off button, forward, reverse, the windshield wiper, and the battery level. Your brake and your gas and your emergency signal, or not your emergency brake, sorry. Then you have your seat belts. With our golf cart, we did go with the upgraded Trojan batteries, and then we added 2 extra batteries per cart. Over here, this is a really great storage area. You don't have this on the non-lifted. So the lifted has the storage area. I would suggest you can get our beach cooler bags. You can rent those with our beach chair packages. It's like you can rent like beach chairs, umbrellas, towels, wagons, the whole shebang. And our little beach bags would actually fit perfectly in here. And those hold, I think, 22 soda cans. So if you want to have like bring some food with you. And then this actually comes down. This is great for your beach gear. So if you want to put some chairs and stuff, maybe you take your family to the beach, drop them off, and then you go back to the house to grab a couple other people and you want to bring more beach stuff, there's where you can put it. Another thing that makes our golf cart really nice is sometimes you'll see golf carts where when you have this 3rd row, the roof stops. And it's just like the rear passengers are just sitting in the sun. Since we're in Florida and it's super hot, that is no fun. So we have the golf cart with the roof that goes all the way to cover the rear passengers. That's a nice feature we added. Another thing with our golf carts is when you book with us, we're not renting out to another company. So sometimes what companies will do is they take a booking, but then they rent somebody else's equipment. With our golf carts, we don't operate that way for a lot of different reasons, but this is exactly what you get. So if you get the lifted golf cart, it looks exactly like this. It's brand new, and they're just different colors. And then we have the non-lifted. And the way I would describe these is, these are more like an all-terrain ride, and they don't ride as smooth, not knocking it, but I think the non-lifted ride's a little bit smoother. So it's kind of a preference. Some people just like the way they look. Everybody's different. It's not meant for off-roading, but it's just a cool looking golf cart. So if there's anything you need, give us a call. We'll be glad to take care of you. We try to always do a good job with our customers, and we try to earn repeat clients. We want you to know that if you've had a bad experience with another company and maybe their product wasn't everything they said it was, with our company, this is exactly what you're gonna get. We don't buy stuff off Craigslist. So I hope you have a great day, and I hope you choose us. Thank you so much.